Let's get to know our body, understanding the amazing systems that keep us alive. Hi everyone, and welcome to our latest episode of Let's Learn About Biology. Today, we're going to be exploring one of the most fascinating subjects of all, our own bodies. That's right, we're going to learn about the amazing systems that keep us alive. Are you ready? So, what do you think makes our bodies work? Well, there are many different systems in our body that work together to keep us healthy. Let's start with the digestive system. Can anyone tell me what the digestive system does? That's right, the digestive system helps us break down the food we eat into smaller pieces so our bodies can use it for energy. It starts in our mouth, where we chew our food, and then it moves down our throat and into our stomach. From there, the food goes through our intestines, where all the good stuff is absorbed into our blood and sent to our cells to use as energy. And what do we do with the leftover parts of our food? That's right, we get rid of them in the bathroom. The digestive system is really important for keeping us healthy. Next, let's talk about the respiratory system. Can anyone tell me what the respiratory system does? That's right, the respiratory system helps us breathe. When we breathe in, air goes into our lungs and then into our bloodstream, where it picks up oxygen. Our cells use the oxygen to do their jobs. And when we breathe out, we get rid of the extra air and carbon dioxide. Now, let's talk about the circulatory system. Can anyone tell me what the circulatory system does? That's right, the circulatory system helps our blood circulate all around our body, carrying oxygen and other important things to our cells. Our heart is the center of the circulatory system. It pumps our blood and makes sure it gets to all the different parts of our body. And finally, let's talk about the nervous system. Can anyone tell me what the nervous system does? That's right, the nervous system helps us think, feel, and move. It sends messages from our brain to our muscles and lets us know when we're hungry, when we're tired, and when we're happy. So, as you can see, there are many different systems in our body that work together to keep us alive and healthy. But how can we help these systems work their best? That's right, we can eat a healthy and balanced diet, get plenty of exercise, and get plenty of sleep. When we take care of our bodies, our systems can work at their best and keep us feeling great. Now, let's do a fun experiment to show how our systems work. I have a balloon here, and I want you to blow it up as big as you can. See how the balloon is getting bigger and bigger? That's like our lungs filling up with air when we breathe in. And now, let's let the air out. See how the balloon is getting smaller. That's like our lungs letting air out when we breathe out. Now, let's listen to our hearts. I have a stethoscope here, and I want you to put it on your chest. Can you hear your heart beating? That's your heart, working hard to pump your blood all around your body. So, there you have it, kids. A closer look at the amazing systems that keep us alive. We learned about the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, and the nervous system, and how they all work together to keep us healthy. I hope you enjoyed learning about your body, and I'll see you next time on Let's Learn About Biology. Bye for now.